Hey guys, this is 2016 Corolla. Today I came out, this is my son's car. I came out to clean the mass airflow sensor and the throttle body. And then I saw this. So I'm gonna clean up the corrosion here. So what I'm using is this. I bought this kind of a felt washers. These are supposed to protect corrosion from building up. I'm gonna use this battery cleaner, and this material changes color from yellow to pink when it detects the acid. So I'm gonna use this to clean thoroughly, and then I'm gonna spray this battery protector. So to help with the cleaning, obviously I got some gloves on, okay? And I wear glasses, so if you don't, then maybe get safety glasses. Got the paper towel, and I got some brush here in case I need to scrape some stuff. I also have a scraper, so I can remove some of this. And I got a sandpaper here. I may or may not need to use it. Most of the, if not all, Toyota and Lexus cars, I find the 10mm bolts are used on the battery terminals. So, okay, looks like there was some buildup there that was not visible before. Get that out of the way. And use a screwdriver to pry that open a little bit. Okay, so you can see a lot of corrosion, so I'll have to clean the terminal as well. All right, I don't want this acid going everywhere, so I'm just gonna scoop it up. All right, I would like to clean that up a little bit more with the paper towel before I spray this, but I want to leave, for now, I'm just going to leave some in there so that you can see the effect of the spray changing the color. You see the yellow turning kind of pinkish when it detects acid. So the instruction says you spray it and then leave it on for, I believe, a couple minutes. Yeah, right here. That is set for 2 to 4 minutes. And then flush with water. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna wipe it down. What I am gonna do is use a brush to kind of help clean the area. Remember, we gotta clean the terminals as well, so. Okay, I think that's been a few minutes. So I'm going to clean. I see some buildup. There's additional buildup in here. And I think this was the reason why the terminal didn't want to come out easily. Actually, I'm gonna spray this one more time. Inside, I see some buildup. can't find the small brush, so I'm just gonna use a small screwdriver. You can see after I cleaned, look at all the red color. That's acid, so there was quite a bit more in there. So just using a small screwdriver. Look at that red color. Those are all acid that was built up. Use a clean brush to take off any of that spray material, cleaning material that's kind of left in there. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna spray the battery protector. Shake it up a little bit. Okay, so when you buy these felt washers, you can get them in different colors, but usually they're red and green. The red goes to the plus, and if you look at your battery, there's a red sign there, and you can also tell by usually having a red cap like this. Okay, so put the felt tip in there first. Get that in there. I marked it minus on the felt tip. That was my marking. It didn't come that way. Okay. Don't over tighten to your maximum power. Okay, just tighten it until you feel it's snug. Don't over tighten it and strip the bolt. To finish it off, I'm just gonna spray it one more time. And put this cap over. Oh, you can wipe down any excess if you like. On the next video, I'm gonna be cleaning the mass airflow sensor and the throttle body. So please come back and check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.